Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing a little craft haul with you. So this is all the stuff that I've collected throughout 2024 from Daiso, Kmart, and also some other places as well. And I thought that I would share with you what I got. So to start out, I have some brightly coloured polymer clay from Kmart. This one was a cheaper price and I haven't tried this one before, so I thought I'd give it a go. There were a whole bunch of different colours, so I got those too. They're mostly darker tones, and they also have some granite effect clay. So there's that. Then there was also a letter stamper from Kmart, and all the letters are capitals. And it comes with some symbols and a little handle thing to hold everything together. Then I found another letter stamper from Daiso. So this one has long sticks to put the individual letters onto. On the back, it shows that they're lowercase. Then there's a little cooking rolling pin thing, and it has a cat design on it, which looks like this. So here's a little close-up. And it should look all nice and brown with the chalk pastel mix on it. Then there's a bunch of silicone molds from Daiso. So this one is a round one, and it has a flat one and a deeper one. Then there's the same type of mold but with ovals. And then there's some flat squares. And then a mold to make spheres of different sizes. And I think this one would be fun for UV resin. I then found some open back bezels in shiny gold, and these ones were also from Daiso. And then there's some resin resistant tape to sit them on while you work with them, just so that the liquid doesn't spill out. And this was from Kmart. I also found a little silicone mat from Daiso, which I think can do the same thing, or at least protect my work surface from UV resin. Then also from Kmart, there's some different shaped cookie cutters, and these ones seem to be plastic, so I'll see how sharp they are on the polymer clay. Then also from Daiso, I found this little cat head vegetable cutter, and I think it would be really cute for like bakery charms. So they look like this. And then these are some cookie cutters, which I bought online, and they're like the plunger type. They have this little bird face design, and I think it'll be cute to use as jewellery. So I'll take one out to show you what it looks like. So it's like this, and then when you press it, the clay pops out. I then got some mini glass bottles with corks in them, and these were from the $2 shop, and I think they'll be great for tiny charms. Then lastly, from Daiso, I got these little piping tips, and they have different designs on them. These were pretty cheap, so I'm eager to try them out on cupcakes and stuff. And that's all for this craft haul. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!